Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Made Simple. In the last video, we discussed about the basics of fractions. In this video, we will discuss about different types of fractions, proper, improper and mixed. We will also see how to show these fractions on the number line. We will also see how can we convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction and vice versa. So let's start with discussing proper fractions. Proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction where numerator is smaller than denominator. We know the numerator is the top part of the fraction and denominator is the bottom part of the fraction. So in case of the proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. So 5 by 8, 7 by 9, 11 by 13, all these are examples of the proper fractions as numerator is less than the denominator. Let's try to get a visual idea about proper fraction. So suppose I have a big chocolate and I have to distribute this chocolate among 5 of my friends. What do? I divide the chocolate in 5 equal parts and I give one part to each of my friend. So each of my friend will get 1 by 5 of the chocolate. So what is the 5? 5 is the total number of equal parts in the chocolate or in the whole of the thing. So here whole is the one chocolate. So out of 5 parts, each person is getting one part. So each person will get 1 by 5 of the chocolate and 1 by 5 is the proper fraction. So proper fraction is always less than 1. So here the person is getting less than whole. The person is getting fraction of the whole. So let's see another example. Suppose you have 3 chocolates and you have to distribute these 3 chocolates among 5 of your friends. What do? You divide each chocolate in 5 parts, which is the number of friends among whom you have to distribute. So now total parts you have is 3 into 5, 15 parts. So total 15 parts you have. So you can give 3 parts to each one of your friend. So first friend will get these 3, second friend will get these 2 and this one 3, third friend will get these 3, fourth friend will get these 3 and fifth friend will get these 3. So each friend got how much chocolate? 3 parts out of the 5 parts in a chocolate. So each friend got 3 by 5 of the chocolate. Always remember 5 denotes the number of equal parts we have in one whole of the thing. So here we have one whole chocolate which we have divided in 5 equal parts and the numerator represent the number of the parts the person is getting. So the person is getting 3 by 5 of the chocolate. So 3 by 5 is again a proper fraction. A proper fraction is always less than 1. Now let's see the number line representation of the proper fraction. So I have drawn the number line. I have put 0 at the center, positive numbers on the right, negative numbers on the left. I don't need to put the plus sign here. So suppose I have to show number 1 by 2 on the number line. So we know this is a proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. So it is obviously less than 1. So I have to divide 1 in 2 equal parts, denominator. So I will divide 0 to 1 in 2 equal parts. So this first part will be 1 by 2. The first part will be 1 by 2. So this distance is 1 by 2. So we know 1 by 2 is the half of the 1. Let us see another example. Suppose I have to show 7 by 8. So here again numerator is less than denominator It is less than 1. It's a proper fraction. I have drawn the number line. I have put the 0 at the center. 1 on the right, minus 1 on the left. Arrows at the end indicate that the line can go in any direction or in both of the directions indefinitely. Now the denominator is 8. So I have to divide 0 to 1 in 8 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have got 8 equal parts. The first part will indicate 1 by 8. It means the person is getting one part out of the 8 parts in the whole. The second tick will represent 2 by 8. Third tick will represent 3 by 8. Fourth tick 4 by 8. 5 by 8. 6 by 8. And 7 by 8. So this is the 7 by 8. This distance is 7 by 8. So now let's discuss improper fractions. An improper fraction is the one where numerator is equal to or greater than denominator. Okay, so 7 by 4. So 7 is greater than 4. 9 is greater than 5. 12 is greater than 7. So all these are examples of the improper fractions. In case of improper fraction, the person gets more than the whole. So the person gets more than the one whole thing. So let's understand through an example. Suppose a person gets 7 slices of the pizza, where each pizza has 4 slices. So we have one pizza which has been divided among 4 equal parts or 4 slices, and suppose the person gets 7 slices. So the person has got how many slices? 7 slices, and the 4 slices are there in the whole. So the person has got 7 by 4 of the pizza. It means the person has not got only one complete pizza, but also 3 more pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he has got 7 slices, but if I have to talk in terms of the complete pizza, so he has got 7 by 4 of the pizza. Okay, so let's see one more example. Suppose I have 3 chocolate and I have to distribute these 3 chocolates among 2 of my friends. What do? I divide each chocolate into equal halves. So one friend will get 3 pieces and the other friend will also get 3 pieces. But let's talk in terms of the full chocolate. So since one person will get 3 parts of the chocolate, so 3 out of 2. What does 2 represent? 2 indicates the total number of equal parts in the chocolate. So 2 gives the idea of the size of the part. So each friend will get 3 by 2 of the chocolate. Okay. So you can either say that each person has got 3 pieces, or if you have to talk in terms of the whole, which is the entire chocolate, then you need to say that each person has got 3 by 2 of the chocolate. It was pretty obvious that the number of friends are lesser than the number of chocolates. So each friend was going to get more than one. So here each friend has got 3 by 2 chocolate. 3 is greater than 2. So it is an example of the improper fraction. So improper fraction is greater than or equal to 1. Hope you understood the example. Let us move to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction are similar like improper fraction. They are just represented in a different manner. In mixed fraction, we show the fraction part and the whole part separately. So let's define the mixed fraction first. A mixed fraction has a whole part and a proper fraction part. So it improves the visualization of the fraction. So suppose I say that I had 2.5 of a chocolate. So I can visualize easily that I had 2 full chocolates and half of the third chocolate. Or in terms of the improper fraction, I can say I had 5/2 of the chocolates. See, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part. So 5 parts where each chocolate is divided into 2 equal parts. So I had 5/2 of the chocolates, or I had 2.5 of the chocolates. Both are same. So a mixed fraction has the complete part and the proper fraction part. So proper fraction has the numerator less than the denominator. So suppose you had 4 bananas and 1/4 of the fifth banana. So in mixed fraction term, you can directly say that you had 4 1/4 of bananas. But in terms of the proper fraction, but in terms of the improper fraction, you had 17/4 of the bananas. Because how did I arrive at 17/4? So basically, if I divide each banana in 4 equal parts, then out of 4 banana, I get 16. 4 into 4 is 16. And the fifth banana, I had 1 part. To total 17 parts I had, where each banana is divided in 4 equal parts. So 17/4 is the improper fraction, and same is represented as mixed fraction as 4 1/4. Now let us see how we show the improper fraction or the mixed fraction on a number line. So suppose I have to show 2 1/2. So this 2 1/2 is greater than 2, isn't it? Because 2 is the whole part. Whole part is 2, and then addition to 2 we have some fraction part. It's a proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. So this proper fraction is always less than 1. So this number lies between 2 and 3. So I will draw the number line. I will put 0 at the center. I will put 1, 2, 3. The arrows at the end shows that the number line can extend to infinity in both the directions. So we have 1 full part, 2 full part, and 2 to 3, again this one whole thing I have to divide in 2 equal parts. So this is the 1 part, this is the 2 part. So this number, this tick is the 2.5, or it is 5/2. How did we come at 5/2? Because the person is having 2 full part and 1/2 of the third part. So if it is like circle, the person is having 2 full circle and 1/2 of the half circle. So how many halves are there in these 2 circles? Or how many parts are there in these 2 full circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the person is having total 5 parts where the whole has been divided into 2 equal parts. So the person had 5/2 of the thing. Now let's see how can I convert mathematically an improper fraction into mixed fraction and vice versa. So suppose I have the improper fraction 7/2 and I have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Then what will I do? I will divide 7/2. So 2, 3, 6. So this number can be represented as, this 3 is the whole part or complete thing in this improper fraction. So 3, then this remainder will come here at the top. 3 is the whole part, 3.5. So 7/2 is converted into 3.5. 3 is the quotient. So you need to divide the numerator by the denominator. Then the quotient will be the whole part. Remainder will be the partial part. and denominator will remain the same. So let's see one more example. Let's take one more improper fraction, 7 by 3. So I will divide 7 by 3. 3 into 2 is 6. So we have two complete things in this fraction. So 2, then 1 will come here. So this is my improper fraction. So it means I had 2 whole of the chocolates and 1/3 of the third chocolate. Let's see another example. So we will divide 11 by 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Remainder is 2. So I have 3 full things and then 2 parts out of 3 parts of the fourth thing. So the improper fraction is 3, 2 by 3. Let's see 2 more quick examples. 51 by 50 is improper fraction. I have to convert it into mixed fraction so that I can visualize it in a better way. So I have 1 by 50. So I had one complete thing, and of the next thing I had one part out of the 50 parts of that thing. So suppose if I had a chocolate, so I had one complete chocolate, second chocolate I divided into 50 parts, and the 1/50th part I had out of the second chocolate. So in this case, I had 2 complete chocolates. Let's again discuss in the term of chocolates. So I had 2 complete chocolates, and from the third chocolate, if I divide the third chocolate in 32 equal parts, then I had 14 parts of that third chocolate. So this is how you convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. As a rule, if you have the improper fraction, you divide the numerator by denominator, you will get some quotient, some remainder. This quotient will be your complete part, then remainder will come here and the denominator will remain the same. So this will be the mixed fraction. Now let's see how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So suppose I have this mixed fraction. To convert it into an improper fraction, the denominator will remain the same. 3 will remain as 3. To get the numerator, I need to multiply denominator with the whole part. So 3 into 3. Then I need to add the numerator of the mixed fraction. So 339 plus 2, that is 11 by 3. Let's see one more example, 4, 5 by 6. To get the numerator of the improper fraction, I will multiply 4 into 6 and add the numerator of the proper fraction. Denominator will remain the same. So this is the improper fraction corresponding to this mixed fraction. So as a rule, if I have a mixed fraction where we have the one whole part, we have a numerator, we have the denominator, then to get the improper fraction, I need to multiply the whole part with the denominator, add the numerator, and the denominator will remain the same. So this is how you convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. To show improper fraction on a number line, you convert it into the mixed fraction and then show it easily on the number line. That's all for today. We will cover fraction operations, statement problems on fractions, in subsequent videos. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Thanks. Thank you.